Yeah, I got my vest, yep.
Basically, we have a search warrant for you and your property, okay?
You read something to you, okay, sir? You, Mr. Ham?
It's pursuant to an illegal drug investigation, okay? This is Deputy Baldwin. He's going to read you the search warrant, okay?
Alright. So, a peace officer in the Commonwealth of Kentucky, proof by affidavit having this day been made before me by Deputy Kenneth Baldwin, a peace officer of McCracken County Sheriff's Office, that there is probable and reasonable cause for the issuance of the search warrant as set out in the affidavit attached hereto and made part hereof, as if fully set forth herein. You are commanded to make immediate search of the premises known and numbered as 621 Wheeler Avenue, Paducah, Kentucky 42003, McCracken County, the residence of Philip A. Ham, and more particularly described as follows. From the McCracken County Sheriff's Office located at 7th and Clarence Gang Street and Clark Street, proceed north on South 7th, Clarence Gang Street until reaching the Kentucky Avenue intersection. This intersection, make a left turn onto Kentucky Avenue and proceed west until reaching the South 19th Street intersection. At this intersection, make a left turn onto South 19th Street and proceed south until reaching the Jackson Street intersection. At this intersection, make a right turn onto Jackson Street and proceed west until reaching the Wheeler Avenue intersection. This intersection, make a left turn onto Wheeler Avenue and proceed south until reaching 621 Wheeler Avenue on the right side of the street, which is the residence to be searched. A single-story dark brick, single-family dwelling with a covered front porch and a driveway to the right of the residence. A photo of the described property is attached. And/or in a vehicle or vehicles described as a silver and colored 2003 Toyota pickup with Kentucky plate BBK 468, a gold Mercedes passenger car, and any and all vehicles owned and operated by any and all persons present during the search warrant service. And/or on the person or persons of Philip A. Ham, white male, DOB 5/19/1985, Social Security Service. The following describe personal property: any and all items of illegal drugs and/or items of drug paraphernalia, including but not limited to methamphetamine, marijuana, cocaine, heroin, synthetic drugs, or any other types of illegal drugs or items of drug paraphernalia that are in violation of KRS 218A. Any and all monies, firearms, ammunition, firearms accessories, papers or documents related to the sale, use, possession, manufacture, or cultivation of illegal drugs. Documents to include any that may be stored electronically, including on cell phones belonging to Philip A. Ham, including but not limited to, step over here for me, sir, limited to the form of text messages, contacts, or photos. Any and all places and size where any of the above described property may be hidden, including any and all garages, sheds, outbuildings, etc. on the property. And if you find the above described property or any part thereof, you will seize the property and deliver it forthwith to me or any other court in which the offense and the respect to which the property or things taken is triable, or retain it in your custody, subject to order of said court, signed February 14, 2022 by Judge Todd Jones of District Court, McCracken County.
Mr. Ham, listen to me, okay? I'm going to read for your rights, okay? Mr. Ham, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court or any of the proceedings. You have the right to have an attorney present during question. Can I afford an attorney to desire one of the court may forward for you? You may stop the question anytime or choose to answer further, or by request to consult your attorney. Mr. Ham, do you understand these rights I explained to you, Mr. Ham? Mr. Ham?
Yeah, I just want to speak with my attorney.
Okay.
You have an ink pen?
I do.
K9's indicated on this vehicle. We're going to search it too.
Hey, Mr. Ham, have a seat on that curb for me if you don't mind, man.
All right, can you help me down?
I got you. I'm not gonna let you fall down. There you go, sir.
it?
Like, keys are my car. Or I've got keys.
Lockbox.
No, it's not my car.
Huh?
It's not my car. I don't even know.
It's not your car?
No. I already explained that to him.
Whose car is it?
A friend of mine.
So you don't have the key to that safe in there?
Can you hold that for a minute? You got a jacket on underneath that?
No, it's a t-shirt.
You sit back down, buddy. I got you.
Here, let me see.
It's a Century safe or
In that
whatever.
box, let me. Go ahead and put him in the car.
Put him in the car? Yeah. Hey, Dunnigan, can you go in your car?
Yeah.
Hey, Crone, can you put him in the car? And have searched him, yeah. I got his money and gave it to them already. Hold that. Yep. There, hold on.
Set it down there or something. Just grab that right out there real quick. Feed it in
Let me just hit it?
No, hit it on.
I'll hit it right there.
All you got. It ain't. It's like maybe a little ledger or something in there. It's just a guy.
Oh, yeah, just some weed on him.
Right now, this is stuff here.
We can do it with the car. Just park it.
Yeah, let's just park the car, pull it up here. Can you pull it up? He's in there.
What? It's a remote start.
Yeah, you can just drive it over to his house.
Okay, that'll work.
Here's a key.
In case it goes weird.
That's not the car keys. It's in there. It's in there.
Okay, that's fine. It's push button, isn't it? Yeah.
621 Wheeler.
Mm-hmm.